Techlife X5, the scooter that allows you to do more in the lightest form. A maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour, up to 35 after modification. Battery with a capacity of 10.4 amp hours, providing a range of up to 35 kilometers on one charge. Front suspension. Full charging time, 5 hours. Full LED lighting. We care for your safety. Fully adjustable handlebar. Modifiable display with access to advanced driving options. Reliable mechanical braking system. Motor with nominal power of 350 watts and maximum power of 550 watts. Double rear suspension. Foldable construction enables easy carrying and storage of the scooter.